guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to calculate the compound interest for given principal amount and the time period, also the rate of interest and the number of times the interest is calculated. So firstly let us see how compound interest is calculated, the formula for it. Okay. The formula for calculating the compound interest including the initial principal amount, that is the total amount, is P into 1 plus R by N per N into T, where P is the initial principal, R rate of interest, N number of times the interest is calculated, and T is the time period. So without any delay, let us go into a PyCharm and write the program. I am on my PyCharm now. So firstly, I want to take the input from the user, the principal, the rate of interest, the time, and also the number of times the interest to be recalculated. So I'll have my variable principal to be P, as it is an integer. I'll just give it as int input. Enter the principal amount. Sorry, we have to name it as initial principal, right? For compound interest we have different principles, right? So we have to give it as initial principal. Principal rate of interest, as it is a percentage. Enter the rate percentage. Now I'll give the time period int. Enter the time period. And finally, let us have the number of times our interest to be recalculated. Input. Enter the number of times to calculate the interest. Now finally let us give a total amount. Let the total amount be A, P into 1 plus R by N per T, right? So whole power N T. Okay. Now, sorry, we have to give it as multiplication, right? Yeah, done. Now I want to print my total amount. I run the program now. Yeah, it is asking to enter the principal amount. Let it be 2000, and the rate percentage, let the rate percentage be 3%, and the time period, sorry, yeah, let it be 2 years. Number of times to calculate the interest, let it be also 3. Yeah, we got our total amount, right? So in this way you can calculate the compound interest using the formula. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and to follow my channel, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to do not miss any video from my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.